We've walked a road not everyone can see. Through nights of doubt, we held on to our dreams. Minsan tayo'y muntik nang sumuko, pero puso't isip ay di nagbago. And now we stand here hand in hand. With courage we learn to understand that every step, no matter how small, can lead us to the greatest call. This is our second chance, our moment to rise from the darkness. We've reached for the skies. ALS taught us hope, to believe once again. In every ending, a new life begins. We faced the storms, the trials, the rain, turned every loss into lessons that stayed. Sa tulong ng mga guro't kasama, natagpuan natin ang ating halaga. And now we stand here strong and free. No matter where life takes us from here, hand in hand we will always be a family bound by our shared journey. This is our second chance, our moment to rise from the darkness. We've reached for the skies. ALS taught us hope, to believe once again. In every ending, a new life begins. No matter where life takes us from here, we'll carry the lessons, we'll hold them dear. Hand in hand, we will always be a family bound by our shared journey. This is our second chance, our moment to rise from the darkness. We've reached for the skies. The hours taught us hope, to believe once again.